and you must be happy. Not the static goal कि नहीं मैं तो ऑफिसर बनूंगा तभी खुश होऊंगा. Then your efforts will be not 100%. That's what I want to tell you. And that's what I am seeing today's in youth. They are unable to give their 100% because they are always already with their static goal in mind. कि मुझे तो यार ये पता नहीं बन पाऊंगा नहीं बन पाऊंगा. They start doubting, and that is the reason they are not giving their 100%. They are only giving 50-60%. And we want 100% of yours. And that is only possible if you make your dynamic goals on daily basis. Whatever the activities are there, you will do with best of your ability. Acceptance is you accept yourself as it is. Not necessary कि मेरी तो अंग्रेजी कमजोर है, पता नहीं मैं हो पाऊंगा, ये डाउट है. I am repeatedly telling you this should not